You can make the best ketchup you've ever tasted without high fructose corn syrup and with a few clean natural ingredients including tomato paste and honey. They're quickly mixed together with spices and ready to enjoy in less than 5 minutes. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes with all natural ingredients, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy ketchup, we're going to start with a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. I'm just going to add this right into my bowl. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of some white wine vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar. And as our natural sweetener, we'll add 1/4 cup of honey. But you can also use maple syrup or agave nectar or your favorite sweetener. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of allspice, and a few dashes of pepper. Then we simply whisk it together till it's well combined. Now is an excellent time for a little pinky test. That tastes so good, but you could easily add a little more spice or a little more honey to adjust it to your liking. I think I'm going to give it about another tablespoon of honey, and then I'll go ahead and store this in the fridge until our fries are done. But if you're in a hurry, you can enjoy it right away. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me to make this super simple recipe. And I've included a link to the full recipe in the video description below, which takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.